Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show context when sharing content on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, we are going to go down and tap on advanced features. Then we're going to swipe down again and tap on show context when sharing content. Tap on the switch to turn it on or turn it off. So let's take a look at what this feature actually do. So at the moment we have turned on. Let's say I want to share something in here in my gallery. If I tap on the share button, you can see at the top it shows some of the suggested context that I can tap on it to immediately start sharing. So I do not need to look for a contact. It automatically suggests it up here, and I can simply just tap on it to share. Now, if you do not like this suggested context to show up here, you can switch it off. So now I'm going to turn this feature off, and I'll go back into my sharing. So open up gallery. I will tap on the share button to share this image or this video. And then you can see the suggested context has now removed in the share window. And that is what that feature does. It's basically allow you to, sorry, I'm just going to back into the settings menu. And so yeah, that allows you to turn it on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.